Connecting your Samsung Odyssey monitor to your PC properly is crucial for achieving optimal performance. This guide will walk you through each step of the physical connection process. First, identify the available ports on your graphics card and monitor. The three main connection types are DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C. Each serves different purposes and performance levels. Choose your connection type based on your primary use case. For PC gaming with high refresh rates, DisplayPort is recommended. For console gaming, HDMI 2.1 provides excellent 4K performance. For laptops and productivity work, USB-C offers convenience with a single cable solution. Now, for the physical connection process, always power off both devices before connecting cables to prevent any potential damage. Connect one end of your chosen cable to the graphics card port, then the other end to the corresponding port on your monitor. If you don't see a display after connecting, don't worry. First, check that all cable connections are secure. Then verify your monitor's input source is set to the correct port. If issues persist, try a different cable, or check that your graphics drivers are updated. Once properly connected, your Samsung Odyssey monitor should display your PC's output. You're now ready to configure your display settings for optimal performance, which we'll cover in the next section. Once your Samsung Odyssey monitor is connected, the first step is configuring your GPU control panel. This is where you'll set the foundation for optimal performance. The most critical setting is matching your refresh rate to your monitor's native capabilities. Samsung Odyssey monitors support various refresh rates from 144 Hz up to 240 Hz, depending on your model. Next, configure Windows display settings for multiple monitor setups. Here you can arrange your displays and set which monitor serves as your primary display. The final step is accessing your monitor's on-screen display menu to fine-tune hardware-level settings. This includes brightness, contrast, color calibration, and gaming-specific features. Remember to also optimize your in-game settings to match your monitor's capabilities. This three-tier approach, GPU settings, Windows configuration, and monitor OSD, ensures you get the maximum performance from your Samsung Odyssey monitor.